Hello everyone. This is an application called Hintro. The application enables user to manage meeting, analyze transcript, and using AI extract actions, item, and decision. The track progress to the Kanban workflow and receive automated reminder through external integration. This is a Hintro, a meeting intelligence service built for the Hintro backend and full stack engineering internship assignment. Okay. So before started, I just explained the some tech stack about that. The backend is built with the Node, Express, and MongoDB. And Redis also use the Redis for the rate limiting and packing store for the Bull MQ, which handle the asynchronous AI analysis jobs. For the AI functionality, I integrate Google Gemini with provide structured JSON response. For frontend, React, White, TenStack, Query, Justin, and Tailwind CSS, and the repository includes all of the data. So just start with signing. I already created a user, so I just use that. But if you want, you can sign it with the new user. So this is a dashboard. Now the just for authentication using the JWT based authentication. Okay, so for the new user, you enter the name, email, password, submit a registration form. After successfully registration, the application issues a signed JW token and redirect from the dashboard. The password and security handle using the bcrypt before the storage and the new and never stored in a plain text. Protected route required a valid JWT token and unauthorized request return the 401 response. Now just I can sign in and here is the dashboard, right? So I already created a meeting. If you want to create a one more meeting, you just click on that part, use this, you can enter the meeting. After next you can submit a transcript, after this you can review it, and here you can get a dashboard like that. This type of dashboard you see. Okay, so I just explain the what is the meeting process. First, enter the meeting title, date and participant email. Next, add transcript entries. Each transcript item include a timestamp, speaker name, and spoken content. I also added the bulk data added or upload from the local computer. The structure matches the assignment requirement for the transcript based meeting analysis. After reviewing the information, I create a meeting. The meeting is stored in MongoDB and displayed on the meeting details page. The application also supports the searching, filtration, and pagination for the meeting records. Now for the AI analysis and citations. Okay, so when I click on the AI analyze with AI analyze, uh, the analysis begin. The request is added to the pool MQ and processed asynchronously. The frontend periodically check the analytics status until the result becomes available. Once completed, the AI generated analysis appears. The highlights summary section highlights what the key points discussed during the meeting. Each insight includes a citation referencing the extract transcript timestamp that supported. Now, immediately navigation to the corresponding transcript lines, action items, section, stack task, and identify responsible participants. Additionally, every situation is validated against the original transcript. If the situation's reference are non-existent timestamp, the analysis failed validation and it reject. Now here is the summary section. It take the summary of the important discussion, the actions, the important discussion in the interview, in the transcript, and the follow-up. There are no follow-up, so no needed. Okay, and these are the action items. Now I can click on the action items. See here all the action items. It can be completed, pending, and progress, and it used the Kanban dashboard method, which is famous. Now the remainder section. Okay, uh, before reminder section, I can just give you the uh, important discussion about the non-functional requirement. Okay, the document includes the request schemas, response example, and endpoint description. The application also exposes the head endpoints used for the monitoring service availability, and trace ID is also included in logs and response headers. Okay, so the reminder is total. If the every task, if any task is if any task is pending, it can be go on that side and the automatically send to the email, and you can see it here. Every 15 minutes it can check all the and list it in below. Okay, so it is reminder and notification section. Here the notification you can see. Okay, the profile sections, if I click on the settings, if I click on the settings, here to see the all the profile section, notification section, integration from Slack, and email resent. Okay, this is the email resent of that. Now security, you can want to change password also. Now I can explain what is the core features and what is the important of that. Now I just explain the workflow of that. Imagine I am the end user. I can enter in the website. I have a meeting transcript. A meeting is already done in the past and I have the transcript of the meetings. So I just want the important points from the transcript. I just want the important things from the transcript and the important discussion taken in the meeting. I want that, and the task assigned to the participant in the meetings. So I just want all of that, and I can maintain their data, like the task is completed or not, what is the important points in the meeting, what decision taken in the meeting, right? So just I just take that transcript, I can enter in the meeting. I just take the create a meeting and enter the transcript. Now AI analyze this transcript. AI return the summary, decision, task, and follow up. Okay, and it this all are the stored in the MongoDB. So if I can just say I can just say is the quick review of the meeting service. Okay, so if I can explain the architecture, the client send to the client, then routes, controller, services. Services mean database, Gemini, Telegram, and response. Not directly route to the database. Okay, so this is all about the meeting service of that.